Blueberries for Sal by Robert McCloskey. Traditional literature books tend to be either picture books or fantasy books. This book belongs in this particular genre because it is a picture book, but it also has fantasy elements as well. It is set in 1948 and has a message that can stand the test of time. It is a realistic tale that has some basis in reality, but also uses exaggeration. Blueberries for Sal is a story about a little girl named Sal and her mother, who drive one day to Blueberry Hill to pick blueberries to can for the winter. During their adventure on Blueberry Hill, they haphazardly run into Mama Bear and Little Bear, who are also there to pick and eat and store blueberries for the winter. Sal and her mother get ready to pick blueberries, to put them in their tin pails to take them home, but cute little Sal can't resist eating more blueberries, putting them in her belly, than actually taking them home. Both Sal and her mother have some surprising interactions during their day picking blueberries. One of my absolute favorite things about this story are the illustrations. The line drawings that have been made with this blue ink. I'm not sure if you can see through the screen, but the ink is actually a really dark blue, like a navy blue. And I think that really enhances the whole blueberry vibe, that the pictures are blue. I just love the detail and the way that the images kind of transport us back in time. We saw earlier the old car as they drove up to the hill. And in this picture, we can see their kitchen. And I know that as a little girl, I loved to study this page. It's found on the very front cover and the back cover of the book. And we can even peek into their kitchen cabinets, which is just so fun to me, and the drawer that is open. And on the other half of the page, we have Sal and her mom. They made it back home. They are busy canning, and Sal is working hard. She's helping Mom right along with all of those canning lids, bands. There's even a couple little kittens on the floor. I just absolutely love this page. And just the detail, and even the curtains are blowing in the breeze. There's just so much to love. My other favorite part is Sal. She is just a spunky, cute, typical preschooler, just excited for everything that is around her. Her world, she's just charmed and captivated and excited by the world that she lives in. And so I just love her. In traditional literature, there is typically a lesson. This book has a lesson. We also learn that Mama Bear and Cub aren't that different from mother and child. That's another thing that I love about this story. So this is one of my favorite books. It's a book that I've read to my kids. They love it as well. And we feel like we're transported back in time, but at the same time, that's something that happens in every family, in every kitchen. It's just very relatable. Thank you.